The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
Hello everyone, you are watching Tisa TV.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nana.
There you go.
It is continued powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Orlando Pirates released a statement. They have mutually parted ways with Olisanda, the Nigerian defender. It's also the weekend of a few matches that are playing. Tonight it's Sundowns against Al Hilal. It's the second round of that same game in the group stages. It's game number 4 in the group at 9 p.m. We will not be covering that game. We will be back tomorrow at 6 p.m. when Orlando Pirates will host Magesi in the Betway Premiership. On Sunday at 3 p.m., we'll be watching Kaizer Chiefs against Zesco. So no videos tonight at ETC TV. We'll be back tomorrow at 6 p.m. and then at 3 p.m. we'll be back as well on Sunday. Junior Kanyawa, analyst. Let's start with Olisanda. It was an interesting news story. I suppose the writing was always on the wall because the player has not been playing a long time for Pirates. But you were putting 2 and 2 together, thinking that maybe he will replace Umbogazi. What did you think when you saw the story?
Yeah, ngikulo maprada kunjani
Sure.
futhi ngibulise Justice.
Jasa?
Yeah, ngibulise teammate bonke abajida laba abangekho teammate.
Sure.
Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Disk TV, fighting on try to fix South African football. Pirates is making a huge mistake mfethu. I think they were creating a life of Tounder all along. Ngabo Sesane, because it's better than all those players. I know those players bane potential bona. Abo Sesane, even Mbogazi. I know one of the best to get Mbogazi, but now I'm fit with this experience. I remember good squad say AFCON sa last year before last, if not mistaken, if not last year in February. I think good squad be AFCON, if not mistaken.
Oh, 2023 AFCON in Nigeria.
I'm talking like that way, yabo. Pegele cream le surrounding kuyo, not just kuleso squad nje. In fact, one of the best experience. I don't understand. Nyazi, he was injured for a long time, Orlando Pirates, but he came back. Azange babe nama intentions of I think they made peace with, okay, we get rid of this guy. Noma ngabe uyaphola and stuff. Funny enough, baluze Umbogazi. That's where they're going to lose the league. I mean, I'll be honest to you. I think losing that boy, Lamfana was something else for Orlando Pirates. A leader, one of the best talent. Figure Chastang speed. A very important player, we am loser. I thought Dunda we also Pagamisandla. Actually, never compare, which I believe me, Lamfana Bogas Begmela Unda. I know it's same as a good player, but not close to Unda. And that is something else for Chobang issue. Good experience. So, Maba lose Umbogazi. Unda, I thought Mina was going to be the captain of the team. Not just a player, a captain of the team. Just to show a respect with him, you've been with us, patient with us. You didn't deserve to sit on the bench, but because of we were understanding our protocols and players that they were better at that time and were professional enough. Now I'm play regular. Now you're releasing. Wambi Sumbogazi. Elite boy loser. So a very important player. I don't understand. Came as a shock him. Like I'm sure even some of the Pirates supporters you are losing 2 important players, which is Umbogazi in a sensitive position. I was one problem. Ngoba Usbisi mfethu mina ngiyazi ukuthi Usbisi when he was playing even before this boy Umbogazi was playing. Usbisi was playing very well, but not like what this boy Umbogazi did. Not that Sbisi can close a gap here. It can't be there anyway. Sbisi is Sbisi. So it's going to be difficult. This is the second round of the season. Kuzoba nama test amaningi for Orlando Pirates. Now they are very under pressure because Sundowns iwina ngalesi khathi Betway Premiership.
Okay. It's been almost 2 years, Angadlalunda. And in those 2 years, Orlando Pirates were competitive and they brought in Siema, all these young players. Even Sesane as well was a good player there. There is a thought from the Pirates fans, and maybe even the management, was that we're doing well without you. So for us, it makes sense that as opposed to continue to pay you, we are where we are in the league because you were not contributing. I think where I agree with you with is very difficult is the part Mbogazi that, okay, if you then lose Mbogazi, then and you don't have an immediate replacement, maybe that's where the danger is.
Yes, they were doing well without him, but they never won the league after a while. They were doing well, Lengwenya the coach that went to Al Ahly, he did very well, Jose Rivero.
Yeah.
And also this guy, Wadu, is doing very well. But they never won the league yet.
Yeah. So he played 2 years with the Pirates.
Yeah.
Him without winning the league. So it's that same logic as well that when you were here, we did not win the league. In fact, njengoba bewungekho, we have been the closest. Personally, I don't dispute the player's talent. He's super talented. I think he's one of the best defenders, maybe top 2 or top 3. But the logic of football clubs is this, that bewungekho, we're chasing the league. Last season, maybe number 1 in January, ungekho. This season, they were number 1, even now, currently, with those 2 games in hand, January, ungekho. The logic is that instead of us paying you, let's rather release you and siqhubeke. Njengawo Saleng, if you look at the Saleng situation as well, he's a mega star, but if you look at Pirates' current season, abengenasandla ngoba ebekwi-orbit.
Yeah, true.
So Pirates can accept losing him. The only question is, njengoba umnikeza competition uSaleng is not going to help the competition now. That was the only question really. But in terms of a contribution to the current season, it's a question because he was not playing. Obviously, with talent, he's better than all of the Pirates defenders.
Yeah, true. Bayibheka ngalo ndlela the technical team. Njobusho, we're better without you. But now they never won the league. They won these trophies, yes.
Yeah.
Abu MTN8, they won this Abu Kading. Yeah, true. But now we're talking about one of the best league.
The most important trophy.
The most important trophy. Their trophy in the Champions League, the important
Sure.
for Pirates. That's why Pirates signed these big stars. I understand the trophy they won, but they wanted to win a league and Champions League,
Yeah,
honestly.
100%.
If I can be honest with you. So now, Lonto Leo, I achieved even when they were doing so well, which was a river, to win the league and Champions League as well. They came to semi-final, go Jose Rivera, go Champions League, go league, but they go number 1 first round of the season. Second round by lose. You bring experience and quality younger players if you want win the league. Ngoba you are competing against a team that they've got so many experienced players and international players. But they are very good at squad sabo song. Yes, they are not been doing well now, but currently they're sitting on top as we speak. And Pirates with game in hand, yes, we have the benefit of the doubt. But the game in hand, psychological, especially the Pirates man, they will lose this league because of inexperience. It's an inexperienced squad, game. Yeah, talented, make no mistake. Now last year, we played the squad, the immaturity, like I'm a player
There
man.
was a lot of young players.
We understand. So, yes, true, but
The logic is always going to be about
Yeah.
bewungekho saya ku semi-final, and I think
Yeah.
since 2013, since the Pirates go semi-final, so over 10 years, ingayi ku semi-final le CAF Champions League. And if you look at those players, Sesane, 21, 22-year-old, Mbogazi was a revelation, obviously. Nkotha, Mofokeng. So these young kids, I do agree, of course, you can't trust them 100% for a league. But their logic in management, when they look at it, they say, without you, we still went to the semi-finals. I think Orlando Pirates, it's a credit
You're right.
it's a credit to their scouting that all the players that they bring in, they hit the ground running immediately. But what that creates is kubako undermine kwamajita khona. So they might sign another player now, and they will think he's better than Mofokeng. So therefore, Mofokeng, we can push you aside.
Like I said to you, I'm fan Gasaling, but I'm not being personal to the guy based on the things that the guy has achieved. The guy scored most vital goals for Orlando Pirates. Bengamelanga release even him, wanting to win Champions League and the league. Those are experienced players who can change the game no magnin. Now Unda was gonna help you, mfethu. Like the Pirates, they must ask a question now. Okay, we've been doing well ungekho. Njobu Jose Rivera when he was there, and as Kulme Jose Njoba Begada, Ngabunda I think gonna 5 seasons at Orlando Pirates if not mistaken.
He has been there for quite a while.
Yeah, 5 years at Orlando Pirates. But as Kulme ngale 5 years, in most Jose Rivera, I think it's cut now almost afike ngaso unda. Mhlambi season is Jose Rivera figure.
Sure.
Now unda he never played. Pirates never won the league by that time, but they won these trophies. They never won the Champions League. They went to semi-final. And if they were experienced kanda, good tournament because they would score 2 goals good at semi-final. So they were leading
Yeah, they were
2-1.
2 ahead, 2 goals.
Last minute, give it away. So experience, but the quality, not just experience, but quality there. So
Okay, let's look at it from a different angle. Do you think Umdlali we are at a stage where he was thinking, "Nyang frustrator,
Yeah.
Talang Funukamba," there was a link to Italy.
Yeah.
Maybe it's not even football related linking.
Yeah, even.
Maybe it would have been that the player was like, I'm fit, but I'm not going to play for you.
Yeah.
Is there that kind of an angle here?
Yeah, either way, it's more personal. I don't think it's a talent. And there's no one that can come and fit that. Yes, this is a good player, but not like we can't. I'm not comparing, but truly speaking, because that's why first season wearing a armband. Played Lama AFCON Cup, played Lama World Cup qualifier. Did very well against big giants. So each and every game consistent as well. So in situation aganda, I think Pirates by now this thing. Once ningazwani certain things, learning a suspect and job ngisho ile ntabology mangipela you understand it goes the ntabology abupa manye Sandile Charlie if anzwani Pirates is bigger than you. I think Lonto Senkalo.
That will always be the
Yeah, which is true. Pirates is so big. We need to be. They give people a
it's
chance.
bigger than any player.
Yeah, true. That one we need. But even players, they are so special now. But the Ungulungulu babi talent, it's a give and take. So I think the Pirates now they want to pinde by 7 is good. If you're not gonna do what you want, irrespective of the people they love you or you are so good, we rather play with the youngster. And make no mistake in scouting, but shy. No, they do scouting.
That's why I'm saying that it gets to a point where if they pick up a player who's performing more than you, then you are no longer the star.
Yeah, Gibo, you are no longer a star. But measure these trophies, la abafuna win. The important trophies, la abasayine la player abo police, abo Sipombule for abonduli aba win. Which is a league and Champions League. You win these trophies, yes, it's important, but I'm talking about the league, a marathon, the second round of the season. You needed that experience and quality. So, a leadership as well. So, I Pirates gula lose a league. It's a big mistake for Orlando Pirates, honestly. I believe the don't be surprised.
Oh, yeah, I was asking so the same question. That he might still remain in South Africa.
Sundowns can sign him. Especially, I want to Sundowns they don't just sign ngiyazi nabo bana this thing identity though the code doesn't uyayishintsha lo identity about the philosophy of Sundowns the culture but Londa he can play the back he can defend he's comfortable on the ball. I think with Sundowns I suspect he might go there. Honestly ngaba surprise alandela usale ngaba yenye unveiling lapho yes because the Chiefs yamnida nayo but because of the money ngiyazi ngaba drive I suspect Sundowns might sign him.
Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense, and it's free as well, so they can sign him anytime. Because he's a free agent. The Sundowns can sign him and announce him even next week. They're not limited by a transfer window. Yeah. Well, of course, the season will unfold, and we'll keep on talking about this. And I suppose whatever we do, we speculate. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow with all of these teams as it unfolds, especially when it comes to Orlando Pirates. How is it going to affect them losing Umbogazi and Unda around the same time? I'm sure as we cover these matches, it will come up that there's maybe an issue at the back. Starting from tomorrow, we'll see, and then next week on Tuesday with Amazulu, for example, Orlando Pirates, we'll see if there's any frailties. But ultimately, it's a race to the end of the season. Tonight, just a reminder as well before I get Junior's predictions, tonight we're not here. Sundowns are playing Al Hilal at 9 o'clock. That game will end around 11, 12. We will be here tomorrow at 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. for Orlando Pirates against Magesi. And then on Sunday at 3 p.m. we'll be here for Kaizer Chiefs and Zesco. Just quick fire, only the scores. Let's start with Sundowns Al Hilal. It was 2-2 last time when they played. Sundowns and Al Hilal. Now Sundowns is away. Just a quick prediction.
Sundowns it's going to be 1-1. Honestly, it's a very difficult game. It's difficult, especially home.
Sure.
So 1-1.
All right. Pirates Magesi tomorrow in the Betway Premiership.
I suspect a draw as well. Pirates.
Number 2 against number 16, or
Yes.
number 3 against number 16.
Yes, it's going to be difficult because now Lababa has good Puma and Orlando Pirates. I think Coach Orlando Pirates after that draw, I don't think Pirates will win that game. It's going to be draw.
0-0 draw for you. And then last one, Zesco Chiefs. Now Zesco is in South Africa.
Yeah.
This past weekend, Chiefs won 1-0 in Zambia. Quick prediction?
I tune in. Kaizer Chiefs going to win.
Kaizer Chiefs 2-0 against Zesco.
Abeko right, Mara, they are going to win because that team, I think, it's a very poor team.
Yeah, they were very poor.
Poor, honestly.
They didn't even create any.
Yeah, Abeko right. It's physical, tall, and Abeko technical. So Chiefs will win. They're playing at home. Not to say one of the best Chiefs currently that they're playing. They are winning, yes. Corner this thing with Sia winner. And the momentum, so Chiefs, I think they're going to win 2-0.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. We'll be here tomorrow, 6 p.m. Orlando Pirates, Magesi. I'm still waiting for the real Orlando Pirates to come back from the AFCON. In fact, I'm waiting for all of these teams to come back since the AFCON. Zonke. If you watch the 90 minutes, there is 80 minutes of the game where you're like, yo, I'm like no one is playing. It's Sundowns, it's Chiefs, it's Pirates, all of them in all of these matches that we've watched. They don't come to life until the last 10 minutes. So we're waiting for the real winners to stand up, starting with Orlando Pirates or maybe starting with Sundowns tonight as well. Just start dominating. We'll see if Chiefs can do that as well on Sunday. 6 p.m. tomorrow, 3 p.m. on Sunday. It is Tiska Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.